So we've been asked to fill in this table relating to bus journeys. Now the first bus journey starts at 3:15 in the morning and finishes at 7:35. So what would be easy if we count from 3:15 whole hours closest to 7:35. So if we do that, we go 4:15, 5:15, 6:15 and 7:15. So that's been 4 hours. And then from 7:15 to 7:35 is 20 minutes. So our answer to the first one is 4 hours and 20 minutes. So the second bus departs at 11:05 and it takes 3 hours 15 minutes. So let's first add on the 3 hours. So if we were to do that, we get 12:05, 13:05, 14:05. And then if we add on the 15 minutes to 14:05, we get the answer as 14:20. Okay, last bus arrives at its destination at 2100 and takes 4 hours 25 minutes. So let's reverse the process. Let's take off the 4 hours. So if we take 4 hours off 2100, we get 20, 19, 18, 1700. So that's my 4 hours. And if we take 25 minutes off that from 1700, we get to 1635. So the last bus departs at 1635.